To saute bean sprouts, first heat 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of vegetable oil in a nonstick pan over medium heat. In a mixing bowl, mix 1/2 teaspoon, 6 grams of salt, and 2 cups, 200 grams of fresh bean sprouts together. Then pour your bean sprouts into the pan. Cook them over medium heat for 5 minutes. Stir the bean sprouts occasionally to ensure they cook evenly. To make bean sprout stir-fry, first slice 1/2 cup, 50 grams of scallions into thin slices. Add them to a mixing bowl with 1 tablespoon, 5 grams of minced ginger, and 1 tablespoon, 8 grams of sliced garlic. Toss them together by hand. Then, coat a large wok with vegetable oil and heat it over medium heat. Add your hand-mixed ingredients and stir them in the wok for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add 4 cups, 400 grams of bean sprouts to the wok and continue stirring. Heat your ingredients for an additional 5 minutes and serve with your choice of rice.